Do lawyers have the control over process service? Well, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues right here in Michigan. And today, we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, when you file a complaint, let's say a complaint for custody or a complaint for divorce, you file it, court stamps it, randomly assigns it to family court judge. You put it together with a summons, get it back to the lawyer for what? For service of process. We got to serve the other side. What does serving the other side mean? It means we got to get them the papers somehow. Now, there are different process servers utilized by lawyers all over town. The court has process servers too, but some people find that in the individual independent process servers work quicker. They are not necessarily government employees, so they may take more of an effort. They make more, they won't just go up once the person's not there. Oh, well, I'll come back in 3 weeks. A lot of times you see that with court process servers, not all the time. Some of them are tremendous, but every now and then you get one like that. In the private sector, maybe you get a different reaction. I will tell you this. Lawyers tend to use the process service with whom they've had good luck. So you may go to a law firm, and the law firm may have 3 or 4 different process servers business, and they know if I give it to one of these guys, the service is going to be done as soon as it can be done. Having said that, you got to understand one thing. The lawyers don't control how the process service is going to work or when. All they control is giving it to the person. Once they give it to the process server, it's his job to get the person served. And it may not be so easy. I've had people complain, why does it take so long to serve somebody? We know where she works. Let's get her served. Well, you may know where she works, but guess what? That doesn't mean they're going to let the process server in. There may be security issues. It may be a restricted lot. I'll tell you one thing, here at Goldman & Associates, you can't just walk in here. A lot of businesses have the same security levels that we do because there's a lot of nutcases out there. So you know what? You want to come to this office, you got to show a badge, you got to show something official, you got to indicate why you're there. More likely, we've been expecting that package, and then we buzz you in. Now, 9 times out of 10, if a process server is trying to catch somebody, if that scenario of security exists, they're not going to be able to get them. They might have to wait till they leave for the day and follow their car, or get them as they're coming out, or get them as they're coming back from lunch. It's not so simple. Having said that, the process servers know how to do it. They know how to figure it out. They're going to try the easy way first. If it doesn't work, they'll be more creative. Sometimes our process servers can't get a person, so they send them flowers, and then the person takes the flowers, and the summons and complaint is inside the flowers. We've had to be creative in serving people. We've served people all over the world. We've served people in places that don't even have post offices. I mean, in far remote reaches of our globe. But the fact of the matter is, process servers are experts at this. Lawyers don't control it. So when a client calls up and says, why is it taking so long to serve? The only thing that they can say is, why did it take you so long to get the papers to the process server? That lawyers can control. And the lawyer will say, what do you mean? I got it from the court on Monday afternoon. I had it in the hands of a process server. And you know what? The court rules require that lawyers get the papers in the hands of the process servers as soon as possible. So you don't have to tell us to get it to the process server quickly. The court rules tell us. But in terms of how quickly the person is served, lawyers don't control that. Process server has to deal with the situation, and every now and then the person is evading service, and then the process server will write an affidavit to the court saying, I'm making due diligent efforts to try and get to this person, and they're avoiding me. But you got to remember one thing. We do not control how quickly someone is served. That is in the hands of the process server that we choose. We choose people that we know have a good track record for doing it quickly. So a particular case could take longer, could take less time, but it's not something to get on your lawyer about because your lawyer's not doing the serving. Your lawyer's contracting that through a respected, recognized, valid service, and that's how it goes. So you have to allow the process to work and have faith in the process. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248